Next, I am going to actually highlight my face. I recently bought this Dior highlighter palette and it looks quite nice. Let's find out. So they say just take it all like that and go. Can you see anything? Just take a dot here. It's nice and subtle, huh? Means I'm used to a lot more stronger highlighters. Just in the center. I'm going to go in a little bit more with my Kajal because I think I can use it. Also, this eye bichara is still watering, so I'll let it wait. And I'm going to complete this with my liner. So, remove the... If you remove your, what do you call, the balm that I put, you'll be able to outline your lips better. Otherwise, it's just going to keep slipping. Fill it in, and then I'm actually using this really pretty pink by Calabar. It's called Tainted, number 4. And I'm going to carry a clear gloss if I feel like I need it. I'll wear it there. Otherwise, this is my makeup. You see it in photos. Yeah, bye. I ran away, but I forgot most important, okay? I have not completed my under eye. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Remember, I'd first packed the Pot Concealer by MAC. This is what it looks like. And now that that's settled in, see, I almost forgot it settled in so beautifully. I brush this over. And then I will take my compact, the Laura Mercier compact, but I'm not going to use it all over my face. I'll just put it under my eye and use it in the center here, and just below the where we used our contour. Why? It's very simple. I've highlighted my face. I don't want the powder to matte it. So wherever my highlighter goes, the compact definitely doesn't go, and you always mattify your under eyes. So done, and I will complete my eyeliner on this one in a bit. So here, what do you guys think? Hope you'll enjoy.